Do you want to be my next victim? Alright, y'all, hope y'all enjoyed that scary introduction. So already on camera I did my brows, but I'm gonna darken my eyebrows just for this look right here. I'm gonna darken them up a little more using the Wet n Wild pencil right here. And I use a little bit of the e.l.f. eyebrow kit, which I always use for, you know, my regular brow routine. But for this look, we're gonna do a little bit darker. I already concealed my eyebrows. I'm just going a little darker for this look because we are going for a creepy doll look. Yes, they are very dark. Gosh. But for this look, guys, we're just going creepy, so that's the purpose. Ooh, gosh. Talk about horror. Alright. Let's see. For primer today, I'm using the Evermatte primer from Becca. Since I haven't used this in a while. This is the tiny version of it. If I got any in here. Okay. Oh, you only need a little bit, like this much. And this is great for reducing pores. Okay. Okay, usually I'll do my eyeshadow first and then I'll do my foundation. But I'm just going to do my foundation first today. And this is the True Match Lumi foundation from L'Oreal. And I am in the shade Nut Brown and Cocoa. And we just did a little bit for this look because I'm adding other stuff to my face today. And this is a silicone foundation brush. Well, not brush, but sponge. I forgot where I purchased this from. I think this is from Real Techniques. I think. I know this was a drugstore one. I think this is Real Techniques. Next, I'm going to do my eyes. This is the Juvia's Place, the Festival palette right here. I'm going to go into the Azafa color, which is this red color right here. Just go into the crease. And this is a pretty deep red. And I'm going to make it as a deeper red, a much deeper red as much as possible. So what are you guys going to be for Halloween this year? Comment below. Tell me what you guys are going to be this year. Everybody think that Halloween is just for kids, but it's for grown-ups too. Like, you know, you're never too old to put a costume on and being creative. I'm putting a lot, as you guys can see. I'm putting a lot because I'm trying to go for a bloody effect. Y'all, I remember when I actually did my eyebrows like this back in the day. Woo! Can you talk about improvement? Improvement, y'all. Oh boy, my makeup has come a long way. My eyebrows were so dark. I look at some of my old pictures now and I'm like, boy, I'm trying to tell you. So I'm gonna go into a darker black. It is a black in this palette, but it's more like a metallic kind of black. And I want a matte black. So I'm going into the Prism palette for Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm going into this dark black right here. I seem to not be able to hold things today. What is going on? And this is Obsidian. The black color is called Obsidian. So just gonna put that right there. haven't used this palette in God knows when. I can't even remember when I used this palette on my channel. I think it was sometime last year when I used this palette. So what I'm doing now is I'm kind of like, no, actually I should do that. That wasn't bad. Actually, I did it on purpose, but it doesn't look bad with the shadow being like that. So I'm just pretty much putting the shadow like on the tear dust right here. Yeah, so we're going for like a little bit of my natural, well not natural, but my regular makeup routine with a mixture of the spooky shit. So that's what the goal is for today. I'm going to go back into that eyeliner that I was using earlier, if I can find it. I might have to use another one. So I'm going to use two. This is the NYX Professional white eyeliner. This is white right here. It's a black one. Okay, I found it. Oh my gosh, this about to go down the freaking sink. Okay. Alright. So I'm going to use this first, the white eyeliner. Again, this is from NYX. And I'm going to go into the waterline. Okay. Okay, so this really gives me creepy vibes right now. I'm scaring my damn self, y'all. I am literally scaring myself over here with this makeup. Okay. Alright, so with this one right here, which I think I need to sharpen it a little bit, this black eyeliner right here, I'm just gonna go over the black shadow right here. Just darken it up a little bit. And I'm kind of making it a wing eyeliner a little bit, but not really. Ooh. Okay, so off camera, I applied some mascara. This is the Black Radiance Body Builder mascara, which I'm going to put a little bit more. I don't feel like putting falsies on today, but if you want to put false eyelashes on, it's totally up to you. You don't really have to. If you have like a good volumizing mascara like this, you don't really need it unless you want it to be extra volumized. So this is a blush right here, the Film Noir blush from MAC. And what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going for a scary look. So I'm going to put some like on my forehead a little bit. Just for the effects. Okay, so that's that. So we almost get into the fun part, the blood and the broken doll tattoos. So that's next. Alright guys, so these are the face and body facial tattoos right here. So the direction said to place it on the desired area you want the tattoo at. So I'm going to place it right here, and it said leave on for about 10 to 15 seconds, which is what I'm going to do. So, okay. Guys, I really had fun like doing this look and the introduction. Like, it's Find me so cool. Okay, so I'm gonna hold it for a few more seconds. Okay. I don't know if it worked or not. Oh my god. Well, it worked, y'all. Ladies and gentlemen, y'all see that? Y'all see that? Yes, you do. Yes. Okay. So I got the... No! Some waste on my freaking bathroom counter. Okay. So this is the fake plastic blood. Well, basic blood, not plastic. Fake basic blood. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to get like a Q-tip. And I'm just going to go around this tattoo right here. I'm going to clean up my mess. And I'll be back. Okay. So, trying to like... So with the directions with this, guys, which I'm going to tell you in just a second, just in case some of y'all have like these costumes and you want to be a little creative and you want to know about, and y'all kind of skeptical about using fake blood, I'm going to read the directions for you guys. Pretty much, you wash off with warm water. Well, no, that's the room. Yeah. Wipe off excess and you wash with warm water and soap. So that way it won't stain. Okay. Oh my, I really are on the way. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do like a nosebleed right here. Ooh. Yes, it's creepy. I don't know why this feels so soothing on my skin. It's fake blood, but it feels pretty soothing. Okay, so what I'm going to do next, let me see, okay. Going to go back into the black eyeliner, and I'm just going to draw like I got stitches on my face, and I'm just going to start right here. So that way I can like put some blood right here. And it's supposed to dry up. So okay, I'm gonna put as much blood as possible. Alright guys, so off camera I did some stitches on my neck with the fake blood, and I'm really scared the fuck out of myself right now. But for the finishing touches, I'm gonna go into this matte lipstick right here, and this is in the color Witch. And this is a amplified lipstick, so you can use any kind of black lipstick you want, satin, matte, totally up to you guys. And I think that is it. What are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel.
That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look. don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't